Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Srikanth, working as a networking engineer in Alpha Bridge Technology. In this session, we will discuss about time-based ACL on AS200/28/XF version 2. We have already discussed about ACL in previous videos. If you have any queries, go and watch. I am attaching the links in description. Let's dive into the topic. Firstly, what exactly are time-based ACLs? Think of them as a digital bounces for your network, determining who gets access and when. By setting up rules based on time ranges, we can decide when a certain traffic is allowed or denied. Why would we want to use time-based ACL? Consider this scenario. You have a college network where you want to restrict internet access to students from 9 am to 5 pm only on weekends. Then time-based ACLs are solution here. Let's walk through a basic setup. In our topology, we have one L2 switch and one PC connected to it. Our idea is to deny telnet access to this PC for a specific period of time. Let's do the configuration. For that, we need to access the switch command line interface. Open putty. Select serial. Give COM and speed. By default, login is admin, password is admin. Enable the switch. We need to enter into the configuration mode. To do configuration, the command is system view. First, we need to fix time in our switch. Now we need to create a time range. Let's give a name as access hours. Here we have absolute. You can give start and end time. I am selecting periodic. We can give daily and certain days and weekdays and weekends. I am giving weekdays from 9 am to 4:20 pm. Enter, quit. Now we need to create an extended ACL to deny telnet for the given time range. To do that, follow the commands. Time based is the name of ACL. Deny TCP, IP address of my PC, and wild mask is 0. Any destination address. We want to deny telnet access, so select telnet. Enter the time range name which we have created. ACL is created. Before activating ACL, just ping the PC and let's access the telnet and SSH. To access the SSH, we need to enable SSH server. Open new session, select telnet and enter the switch IP address. So we are able to access the telnet. Now let's log in through SSH. Select SSH, enter switch IP. We are able to log in SSH also. Now let's activate the ACL. Now ACL is activated. Let's ping to the PC. So it is pinging. Up to 4:20 we can't access the telnet. Let's check the telnet. See, we are unable to access the telnet. But we can access the SSH. We'll see. We are able to access the SSH. Let's wait up to 4:20, then we will check again. Now it is 4:21. Here we are able to access the telnet. So that's how we can use time-based ACLs. With time-based ACLs, we can efficiently manage network based on time criteria, whether it's for enforcing policies or optimizing resources usage. Time-based ACLs are a valuable addition to any network administrator's toolkit. If you have any queries, comment below. Thank you for watching.